10 Best AI Tools to Make Money Online in 2025. Want to make money online in 2025? AI is changing the game, making it easier than ever to earn from content creation, automation, and freelancing. In this video, we'll break down the 10 best AI tools to help you generate income online. Let's dive in. Top 10 AI tools to make money online in 2025. Number 10. Jasper AI. Content writing and blogging. What it does. Jasper AI is an advanced writing assistant that helps create blog posts, ad copies, social media content, and more in minutes. How to make money. Start a blog and use Jasper to write SEO-optimized content. Offer copywriting services on Fiverr or Upwork. Pros: fast content generation, SEO-friendly writing. Cons: needs human editing for accuracy. Number 9. MidJourney, AI art and digital assets. What it does. MidJourney is an AI-powered image generator that creates high-quality artwork from text prompts. How to make money. Sell AI-generated artwork on Etsy, Redbubble, or Adobe Stock. Offer custom AI art commissions. Pros: high quality, unique images. Cons: commercial rights may require a subscription. Number 8. Pictory, AI video creation. What it does. Converts text scripts into engaging videos with stock footage and AI voiceovers. How to make money. Start a faceless YouTube channel, just like this one. Offer video creation services for businesses. Pros: no need for expensive video editing software. Cons: AI-generated voices may sound robotic. Number 7. Runway ML, AI video editing and effects. What it does. Runway ML uses AI to edit videos, remove backgrounds, and enhance footage. How to make money. Create short-form content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Checkmark offer video enhancement services for influencers. Pros: advanced AI effects, easy to use. Cons: limited free features. Number 6. ChatGPT, AI assistant for business and marketing. What it does. ChatGPT generates high-quality text responses for customer service, content creation, and marketing. How to make money. Start a social media management agency using ChatGPT for captions and engagement. Offer AI-generated resume writing services. Pros: versatile, fast, and constantly improving. Cons: needs fact-checking for accuracy. Number 5. Synthesia, AI video avatars and presentations. What it does. Synthesia creates AI-powered talking avatars for presentations, YouTube videos, and marketing materials. How to make money. Create explainer videos for businesses. Start a faceless YouTube channel with AI avatars. Pros: no need to record yourself. Cons: some avatars still look unnatural. Number 4. Descript, AI podcast and video editing. What it does. Descript allows you to edit audio and video by simply editing the text. How to make money. Start a podcast and use Descript for effortless editing. Offer podcast editing services. Pros: AI-powered editing saves time. Cons: voice cloning feature can be controversial. Number 3. Canva AI graphic design. What it does. Canva AI generates designs, logos, presentations, and social media content. How to make money. Sell digital templates on Etsy. Offer graphic design services for small businesses. Pros: easy to use, great for beginners. Cons: less control compared to Photoshop. Number 2. Copy.ai, AI marketing and ad copy. What it does. Copy.ai specializes in creating marketing copy, email templates, and ad headlines. How to make money. Offer ad copywriting services for businesses. Create AI-powered email campaigns for brands. Pros: saves time, great for ad optimization. Cons: can feel repetitive without tweaking. Number 1. DALL E3, AI image generation for business. What it does. DALL E3 creates detailed AI-generated images for marketing, branding, and digital products. How to make money. Sell AI-generated art as NFTs. Offer AI image creation services for bloggers and businesses. Pros: high quality and customizable images. Cons: requires a subscription for full access. AI tools are revolutionizing the way we make money online. Whether you're into content creation, automation, or freelancing, these AI-powered platforms can give you an edge. Which tool are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.